My name is Bryan Waxman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Illinois Bone and Joint. I've been in practice since 1998. I take care of the entire body. In this day of ultra-specialized orthopedics, you have a foot problem, you see one guy. You have a back problem, you got to go to another guy. That I still take care of all orthopedic issues. The thing I probably pride myself most in is I appreciate how important everybody's time is. And so I really pride myself in maintaining a pretty strict schedule. I like to get people in, get them out. In fact, we'll always get anybody in, the same day if they need to get seen. They call with a problem, they want that problem addressed. There's always two ways to look at any given problem, and I'm a glass half full guy. I mean, even the most complex problem with potentially bad outcomes, you can look at it in a positive light. I like to come in with a smile on my face, with an optimistic outlook, because I think that does put people at ease. We provide a lot of sports services to the high schools. So I've been on the sidelines for the football games for the last 23 years now. It's just a lot of fun to see kids that you saw when they were, a 14-year-old freshman, and they come in with like their children. And so you've sort of, kind of watched them grow. And in fact, I remember one time having 3 generations of the same family in the office at the same day. None of them knew that they were actually all there. When I was younger, my dad always used to say, man's greatest pleasure is a full day's work. I wake up every day and I'm excited to go into work. I don't mind if I have a long, hard day because I'm doing the things that I really enjoy doing.